What is the pay for this type of job?
Around in the mid.
So Patrick, what do you do here exactly at Pacific City?
I'm the lead engineer. This is my assistant Ryan. We're in Huntington Beach. It's an outdoor retail mall. We're just working on the fire pit because it's not working and somebody broke the glass, so we need to replace the brackets on it.
How'd you get into this job or career?
We work for ABM, which is what, a contracting company? Contractor.
Do you need any special licensing?
It helps to get in. It boosts you up to your pay level, you know. Other than that, you need a lot of experience on what you're doing.
Okay, so you guys mostly maintenance? You fix everything in the mall?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what is the pay for this type of job?
It varies. Decent when you first start, but then, you know, it all depends on your experience and your certifications. Around in the mid-20s.
Mid-20s.
Without certifications, if you got certifications, I would say maybe in the 30s.
Okay, what kind of certifications do you need?
What will really help is your
What's your HVAC for your
with
608?
your HVAC and your 80.
That's 608.
Is it 608? Yeah,
Freon.
608 Freon.
Freon. They want your basic HVAC certification.
Okay. So what do you say to get that certification before you apply, or do they help you get that here?
They will help you get it. They're pretty. They help you apply or help you get certified.
What are the hours like? Do you get a lot of overtime, or is it mostly 40?
It's as needed.
So it's not on call, but as needed.
Sometimes, yeah, we come in on call, like there'll be a leak or a flood or something like that, and we'll come in and take care of the situation.
Nice. Any crazy stories that you guys have working this job?
No, nothing really.
Oh, crazy.
Nothing really. Just Huntington locals.
Yeah,
It's
the
about it.
Huntington local.
You get it every day.
Just good weather, nice people.
Yeah, good weather and a lot of eye candy.
There you go. Well, I appreciate it, guys.